Welcome back to the channel, where this is going to be a short little video, but I don't want it to be as short, so bear with me while I pad it out over 60 seconds. We've got coming in with us this Friday, the 6th of Feb, we've got Jared coming down, who is Novol Technical Manager for the UK. We've known Jared many years. You would have seen Jared right back at the beginning of our YouTube journey with Harry Metcalf. He came down and helped us make that colour. So he's going to be down with us on Friday the 6th. So we thought we'd take this opportunity to invite questions. We get asked quite a few questions. So if there's anything you want to ask Novol directly, let's try and keep it paint related. If there's anything you want to ask about the Novol system, pop it in a comment down below and we can have a chat with Jared when he's here. We're going to be filming some other stuff anyway, but we can go through and do a Q&A as well if we have any questions down below. So that's coming up. I'm not sure when that will go out. It will probably go out within the next 2 weeks. You would have just seen the VW Beetle completion this weekend. Hope you enjoyed that. Coming up this weekend, we're going to have some news on the Cadillac, the 59 Cadillac that is. We've also got the XJS, I'm just seeing out a shot here. That's coming into completion now, so you should see that. And we've also got super rare, one of only 18 right-hand drive Pantera GT5Ss. We'll be doing a video on this very, very soon. This is coming in for, well, I won't spoil it. You'll have to subscribe, see the video when it comes out, and we'll run through exactly what we're doing with this impressive machine here. So that's it. Just a real quick one. Cadillac video coming up this weekend. Don't forget to hit subscribe, see all the great content, and see what we're going to do with this. So thanks for watching.